Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Litte Genius Chhavi. So for this week's video, I will be showing you how to start a buzzer in Tinkercad without using a breadboard. So let's get started. So first, I will open the Tinkercad and then I'll click on plus new and then I'll start a new circuit. I'll create a new circuit. Then, when the screen opens, I'll be needing two components. One is a 9-volt battery and second is a piezo buzzer. Now I'll be rotating this LED and making it like this. Now I'll connect the positive of the piezo buzzer to the positive of the battery and the negative of the piezo buzzer to the negative of the battery. I'll change the color of the wires so that you can understand very well. Red for the positive and black for the negative. Like this. Now let's test if it's working or not. Then I click on start simulation. The voice comes, and when I click on stop simulation, the voice stops coming. So thanks for watching to my YouTube channel Litte Genius Chhavi. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Litte Genius Chhavi. Thank you.